Hi and welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we can earn your subscription. Did you know that your browser has a task manager? That is, if you're using Microsoft Edge. Yes, this also exists in Chrome. A browser is much like an operating system now. It runs many processes. So I'm going to show you how to access that task manager so that you can see what's going on inside of your browser, what is being consumed by CPU, what is being consumed by memory, and if you're having a problem with a process, you can end it. Give it a watch. Did you know that you have a task manager inside of Microsoft Edge? I'm going to show you how to access it. There are two ways. I'll show you the long way, and that is to go in your upper right beside your profile picture. You'll see the three dots. That is an ellipse. You click that ellipse, and then you go down near the bottom where it says More Tools, and then Browser Task Manager. And you can also access this with the Shift Escape key. So I'll open it up. I'll close it. I'll press Shift Escape, and there it is. So what you can do here is look at the various tasks and you can see some information about it. Now, what if you wanted to know, well, okay, I see an extension for privacy.com is active. When did it start? I can right mouse click, and one of the options here is start time, and that gets added. And if this is not wide enough, of course, like any of the other Windows apps, you can adjust column width, and you can also expand the width of the window. You see that we can have the task, the memory that the task is taking up, CPU, network, process ID, and start time. These are the defaults, but you can add others. And a real interesting one that some people may want to add in at times is JavaScript memory, because Java can take up a lot of memory and can be one of the reasons your browser gets very bloated. So you can see here how much is being used for this particular task. We can come down here and see how much privacy.com is using and how much the Outlook extension is using. If something is presenting a problem, you can end that task. Okay, that's it. Really not much to it other than that. If you know how to use a task manager, this is going to work the same way. Thanks for watching.